Damn, my car needs a bath. Well, another day. Let's see what today brings us today. Let go. Okay, so we're at the shop. Gary's already on my ass.
Dennis has done 4 though. He's 8.
Oh, Gary's done 3 haircuts. Dennis has done 4. Because he's freaking the man around here.
Well, the one I did right straight.
My girl got me this YS Park comb for Christmas, and I have to tell you, the hype is real. The hype is real on these YS Park combs. So, I will be purchasing some more of these. They hold up extremely well in low level. They feel really good in the hands. They're really like smooth and slick. They have like a texture to them. They feed hair super well. I want to get the different one with the wider teeth, but I love this. I love this parting tooth here, sectioning tooth, whatever you want to call it. That's intentionally notched there. Can you guys see that? That's intentionally notched to make it easier to make partings. So if you want to part some hair, it just slices right through it, which is dope. I'm wearing a hat today because I am too lazy to do my hair, but this is a dope comb. You guys should invest in some of these. So, my first appointment's at 10:30, which is in about 25 minutes. So I'm probably gonna give Gary a bunch of grief before then. So, and then Gary wants to try these out, so I'm gonna let him try these out today. And I think that is it. There you go, bub. I put those gold clippers over there for you.
No, this isn't a good one to...
Sure it is.
Okay.
It's always a good one.
What's under the tarp?
This is fair. I am done for the day. I didn't do barely anything today. I went home and took a nap, all that stuff. So today's a wasted vlog. I will see you tomorrow, but I'm still uploading every day, so you get a short one today. Peace.